What's up, y'all? Alright, today I'm gonna upgrade my interior with new lower door carpets and also new kick panels. The previous owner put tweed carpet on both the kick panels and the lower door carpets, as well as the entire underdash, which I peeled off and sanded down. As you can see, I've removed the carpet too. It was trash. Sanded all that down. Same thing with the roof or the headliner. But today I received my order from USA1 Industries. So I have my lower door carpet set, black, as well as injected molded kick panels. This is the driver's side, this is the passenger side, and it has a vent door on it right here that comes with it, as well as the vent door air seal. So big ups to USA1 Industries for actually remanufacturing these old parts. Here in a minute I'll show you what the previous owner did. I love finding stuff that he did because it's just trash and I have to fix it. Okay, I went ahead and removed the passenger kick panel, and then I cleaned up around where the air vent seal is going to stick to. And as you can see, this was a two-piece set. It looked like absolute shit. Okay, so I went ahead and marked and drilled out all the holes I needed. I tacked the kick panel up just to see if all the mounts and screws lined up. So the next step will be to take this off and get the air vent door installed, and then I can go ahead and finish the installation. Okay, so I widened out the hole for the threads. So now all you have to do is release it, push it up, and then lock it into place. And the threaded rod is actually going to go at the top of the kick panel. So we'll install it in the hole. And then lock it into place. So that should be good. Now you have your air vent door. Okay, so I'm going to install the air vent seal, and because it has an adhesive backing, I want to make sure that the holes are lined up. So I'm going to peel off the sticker and place it in there with the screws and then press down. And this way I know that my holes are accurate. Alright, so now my air vent seal is firmly pressed on there. Again, I cleaned off the surface of the metal, so that way I had a nice adhesive seal. And there you go. So now let's install the kick panel. Alright, so the passenger side kick panel is installed. It's really important to use washers all the way around the air vent, so you don't push a screw all the way through the plastic like I did. So lesson learned. The bottom ones don't have washers because they're inset, and that's so that you can use a carpet panel and actually sell these, so you can just place them inside there. But I'm just going to stick with the plastic. Now let's go for the driver's side. Okay, so I moved the driver's side kick panels. Again, you can see the nasty looking tweed carpet that they used. It was time to go. I went ahead and placed the new kick panel in position, and I marked all the holes that I have to drill. It's basically the bottom 3 and then one in the back right. Okay, so the driver's side kick panel is installed. Again, it's a one-piece design and I had a two-piece, so I had to drill out 4 more holes but if you already have a one-piece design previous to your new kick panel, then you should be okay. So now I'm going to move on to the lower door carpets, and then we're going to have a nice looking interior. Okay, so I got the driver's side lower door carpet off, pulled the speaker out. Now you can see what these fucking assholes did. And this is what those fucking assholes did. So it looks like they may have had a 6x9 or something installed, but that's some sloppy ass fucking work. And now I have to deal with it. So for now I'm just gonna install a piece of carpet over it. I'm not gonna install a speaker. I already have enough sound coming out from the back of my seat with some kicker comps and a JL audio amp. And really, it's going to be hidden, so there you go. Okay, so I removed my door panel off and I proceeded to sand all the areas that had a bunch of crap built up on it. And you know, it's not perfect or anything, but really I just wanted to get that shit off there. And now I'm going to put my door panel back on and then mock up all the holes that I need to drill. There's 3 holes down at the bottom, but I want to go ahead and secure it at the top with screws instead of like glue. Okay, so I placed the carpet and used a scribe, and then I actually hammered a screw just to kind of get a little indentation so I know where I was going to be drilling at. And then the other placement is for the top, and I'm actually going to lay it underneath the door panel instead of drilling 4 more holes, partly because the top of here is actually wavy, so if I lined it up it would just kind of look like shit. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. I put the screws in, that way all I have to do is place the top underneath the panel, find the holes, screw them down, and then head to the next side. Man, that looks good. It's nice and fresh. Only we know that there's a big ass hole behind the carpet, and the way I secured it using the door panel for the top, it just presses it down nice and firm. It's not going to flap out because it's actually wrapped around this trim piece of the carpet, but it looks good. I would have preferred the painted metal look, but again I would have to fabricate a new door skin and deal with all that sheet metal crap, and really my skills aren't up to par for that yet. So this will do for now. Now I'm going to go for the passenger side. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the passenger side door panel, and I figured I would instruct somebody if they don't know how to do this yet. It's pretty easy. You got 2 screws down in the armrest, 1 behind the door handle. Remove the door lock knob. You got 4 screws at the bottom, and then you have a little snap ring hookup which looks like this, and you just kind of peel that back from inside that slot, and then just grab the top. The door handle will slide out, and that's that. Now I'm going to repeat everything I did on the driver's side. Okay, so I finished up all the sanding, put the door panel back on, and besides the big ass hole that a missile hit, it's going to look pretty good. Hell yeah. Mission accomplished. I got the lower door carpets installed, as well as the one-piece design kick panels. Again, I got these from USA1industries.com. You can also get them from lmc.com. But this truck is really coming together. I've done a lot of work to it. I've had some good help. Pretty soon I'm going to prep it for paint it white, It's a 1981. My dad had a 1981 white C10, so that's what drove me to buy this one. So hope you learned something good, you got something useful. See you next time.